Hi, my name is Tori Hirsch. I am an attorney at the Nieves law firm in Oakland, California. And today I want to chat a little bit about the difference between theft and robbery in California. To start, robbery is in the penal code as PC 211. Theft is in the penal code as PC 484. Robbery is the felonious taking of something from another person by using force, intimidation, fear. And the person who you're taking from is physically there. Either you're taking it right off their body or they're in front of you while it's happening. And they don't want to give it to you, but they are so afraid of you that they do. Theft, on the other hand, is taking something that belongs to someone else. It's not rightfully yours, but the other person doesn't need to have been there. They don't need to witness it. And they don't need to have said no to your taking it in the first place. So that's kind of complicated and interesting. And a good example is if you borrow something from a neighbor and they tell you you have it for 24 hours and give it back, they didn't give it to you because they were scared. They didn't give it to you because they felt like they had to. They just gave it to you. But the second you decide that you want to hold on to it instead of giving it back to them, and you want to hold on to it permanently without discussing that with them first, that becomes theft because you are intending to hold on to it without the other person's consent. Another good example is theft can also be something that happens as a result of your fraud or deceit. So in law school and when us attorneys are studying for the bar, an example that comes up a lot is the idea of a furniture salesman who's at the store, or he's not really a salesman, he's selling furniture, but he doesn't belong there, he's not employed there. When you go and buy furniture from him and you hand over your money under the idea that he has the right to sell it to you, he's actually just stolen your money. That's theft because he has been using fraud to get it from you. Ultimately, the difference is that robbery means you have used force or fear to intimidate somebody else to give you something while in their presence. That's what the word robbery on your record will show, is that you have used physical intimidation of somebody else. Theft, also a felony, is serious, but it doesn't necessarily involve the physical intimidation part. And I would say that's the most important difference to note. If you are charged with robbery or theft or any other charge and you want more information or you're hoping to find an experienced lawyer, you know what to do. Give us a call at the number below, and we would love to talk with you more about your case. Thanks.